Hey, Facebook land, it's Nancy Kowalik. I'm coming to you live from a property in progress. So this is a project in process, and it's out on Pennsville Pedricktown Road. It's 130 Pennsville Pedricktown Road. Now, what's special about this particular property is that it sits on 10 acres. There's a big, beautiful barn. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath house. Yes, 3-bath. So they took and created this beautiful master suite up here. So they're actually still getting ready to paint. We're going to be doing an open house soon on this once it's been touched up a bit. But I wanted to kind of show you a little bit of the before, since you usually only see the after. This is a spectacular house out on a very quiet country road. And I'm going to take you outside and show you a little bit of it later as well. But right now, I want to show you some of the before inside. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let's see. So, all right. So it's a little dark. We have lots of natural light in here. Nice big room. So I'm popping into the master bath. And you can see, so right inside here, there's a nice big shower, walk-in shower, vanity, good size vanity with granite countertops, nice lighting, a lot of natural light in here, which I love, some shelving. No one really needs to see the loo, so I'm gonna not swing into that one, but a good sized room. What I like about all of this is it is a master suite, which you don't really find in a farmhouse, in an older farmhouse. This house has been retrofitted, refurbished, if you will. Carpeting's in good shape. We're putting a completely new coat of paint on this. This is the walk-in closet in this master. Lots of natural light in here again. So we'll come through and we'll have an open house on this property after it's ready to go. So here's another bathroom, just a little up the hallway again. Nice features, more light, new surround. So really some nice new things in here. The vanity's in beautiful shape. So once it's painted, it's going to be a great space. And down the other end is another bedroom. And then there's a walk-up attic to my left, which you may be able to do more things with, right? So kind of giving you an idea of what we have going on here. So again, walk-up attic steps. So can you create yet another floor of space? So I'm going to go downstairs right now and show you, toilet seats up. What can I say, contractors? But I'm going to walk down. Hopefully I don't fall as I'm going down these stairs. Give you guys an idea of what it's a nice open floor plan. Again, for a farmhouse, it's not what you expect. Coming down the stairs, that's the front door. There's a nice big open space here to give you an idea. And again, we have drop cloths down, backing up lots of beautiful natural light. So we have, here we go. Front door is red. Lots of windows up front. So this is kind of the entry into maybe a dining space, which is kind of ideal, right? Stairs going up. And then coming into the kitchen, and again, remember, this is being painted, but you have new appliances, the cabinets are new, you have granite countertops, you do have a washer dryer in this space. This was an enclosed porch at one time. So back door, tons of light. I'm gonna come back in afterwards, but there are other things about this house that are incredibly special, and it goes to the view. Look at that view. That belongs to this. There's 10 acres in total. Fenced acres, by the way. There's a lot of trees growing back there, and there's a barn. We're gonna go take a walk around to that, so that you can get an idea of what we're looking at here. All right. So coming out the back door, as I expect you would, if you wanted to go pop over to your very own barn. Steps are in great shape. Masonry. You've got some lovely bluestone out here. Let me grab that door and come in. So now out here, again, look at all this open. This land all belongs to this property. So next to you, big open field up front. Barn. It's a big barn, guys. It's a gate to get into that barn. Behind it is acreage that's fenced. Yes, you have to take down a few trees if you need to put horses out here. But at this price, we're talking under $350 for this property. It's close to $295. It's really a property that deserves your attention. Look, what a gorgeous night, right? There's those trees there for privacy. That's going to be just about on the property line, I believe. So really you hear nature. There is a neighbor to the other side. That's okay. You don't really want to be out in the middle of nowhere by yourself, do you? So, let's see. Wow. Look how quiet and peaceful it is out here. This all belongs to the farmhouse up front. Big doors here. The barn is huge. I mean, really big. Big slider on the back here. There's a door on the other side as well. You can see the fence here. So this was paddocks at one time. It was reforested, and so there's tax incentives, tax abatements for you to, I guess it's farm assessed or for lack of a better way, reforested assessment. So you're not paying full taxes on this land, but it's 10 acres free to use. And if you wanted to put critters on here, that also falls under the farmland assessed. So what is your vision for this property? I mean, we're all getting used to a little more isolation, and certainly it's great to be out in nature and not have to worry about who you're going to have to walk on the other side of the road from right now. That's just our reality, right? Our new reality. But looking at what we have here, this is 130 Pennsville Pedricktown Road. We're getting a fresh coat of paint. The property is getting ready to be put on the market to be sold. There were tenants in it prior, so it's being just buttoned up so that when you pop into it as a new homeowner, you have fresh finishes and a great new life. Look, a nice big tree here. The driveway is kind of pebbled, nice big backyard. Look at all of this space. So those of you that are here, thanks for popping in. I appreciate that very much. Share with friends. I want to say the new price on this is somewhere around $325,000. So under $350,000 for this kind of privacy to call your very own. All right. So up at the end of the driveway is our famous blue sign and my ride. But I just want to make sure everybody's seeing what I'm seeing. So I'm going to turn this back around. I'm Nancy Kowalik, broker owner of the Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group from Mullica Hill. I'm out here at Pennsville Pedricktown Road with a magnificent property that I wanted to help you see and get an idea of. Could you see yourself here? Stay tuned. We'll have more pictures when the interior is freshly painted, but it might be gone by then, honestly. We've been selling our inventory very fast. So give us a call if you're interested in getting it, 856-478-6562. Meantime, go out and make it a great day.